Are you looking at a Google Sheet with a hyperlinked list of docs or a launch schedule? Do you want to open all of those docs at once? Open all links at once in Google Sheets in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to open all links at once in Sheets. When you're looking at a hyperlinked list in Google Sheets, select Arrange with Links, right-click, and select Open Links. That's it. So there you have it. Open all links in a Google Sheet in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.